So today I'm here with Scott and
Hello.
Mitch
Hi.
from the pentatonicx, and we thought it'd be really fun to do the My Boyfriend Does My Makeup tag. I'll be playing the boyfriend, and I'll do your makeup because of Obama, equality for all.
Right.
Okay,
exactly.
yeah. You
So,
can totally be a boyfriend.
You know, it's a political video too. Number one thing for your boyfriends is to make sure they have realistic, because that's my number one thing to wear when you're having it, if you can.
Okay.
So, first things first, lips.
Getting right to it.
Your breath smells like Fritos.
Thank you.
Well, I haven't had any recently, but
You're right. Okay, this is a really good one.
Yeah? Okay, good.
I think you've needed some red lipstick.
Yeah.
That's all the makeup that you need to do for your boyfriends. But the most important thing with the My Boyfriend Does My Makeup challenge is people aren't telling them how to act. So you put the lipstick on and then touch your head and lift the eyebrow. This is how you can get more boyfriends.
Okay.
Now all the comments are gonna be like, oh, Scott, be my boyfriend, be my girlfriend. Mitch, be my boyfriend, be my girlfriend. So everyone's gonna want it. You guys look really beautiful now.
Thank you. Thanks. I feel like more self-confident. It's like, it's so funny.
I'm excited to just go out. And
I
just,
know.
Like, do it.
You
Show
guys,
the world.
Yeah, you guys are talking too much. I always read Fan of Hate Mail of the Day, so would you guys like to read it?
Yeah, sure. Hey, you haters. Back off of Miranda. She is cool and smart. Plus, she is a great singer, so back off, haters.
Now, here, the top one.
That was terrifying. Boo. So retarded. Beeping. Terrifying. I love you. LMAO.
I love yogurt, that means.
I love you. I'm sorry. I love yogurt. LMAO. Nightmares.
So, really rude comments. Huh?
Yeah, they just don't get it. They don't understand your talent.
Make sure that you guys are subscribed to pentatonicx and also to Superfruit, which is their channel. Well, thanks for coming in, guys.
No problem. Yeah.
No problem.
Thanks for having us.
us.
Get out.
Okay. So, it's this way?
Yep, thank you
Okay.
very much. Thanks, guys.
I'll see you later.
No words. Hairy girls, hairy boys, get together goodly. So,
And you are a hairy girl.
yep, you can be a lady and still be hairy. That's what my mom always says. What does the fox say?